Did you know the party is December 18th? Except it isn't, because I don't like my birthday. Yes, it's December 18th. Yes, it's my birthday. Yes, it's a Lana Del Rey lyrics. But I just don't like my birthday. I'm not really sure why. I just don't like the pressure of it. In the perfect world, I would like to just choose my birthday each year, whichever day fits me best. Because it usually just doesn't fit in my planning. This year it kind of does, because my classes were cancelled this week, but usually it's the last week of uni or school, and it's also very close to all other December holidays, and I don't know, it kind of always feels like it's not really my birthday because people are busy with other things. One thing I do each birthday since I've turned 16 is take a birthday picture, and each year I take it to a next level. I prefer it to be in relation to some kind of song. Last year I turned 23 and I did What's My Age Again? Nobody Likes You When You're 23. Before that, 22 Taylor Swift, obviously. Before that I kind of just did random things, but 24 is such a hard age to find a song to, because most songs with 24 are about the hours, not the age. Because you do have 24 Hours by Lana Del Rey. I still have to take my picture today, and I want to edit and post it also today. I hope I will make that. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I have some inspo from TikTok. Oh, bang reveal. I don't know how to feel about that. God, I look like that one skit from SNL with Ariana. Anyways, yeah, I have some inspo from Pinterest, TikTok. That looks tight. Okay, I'm just gonna shake my head. Oh god, what did I do? I don't know how to feel about this. I think I'm making it worse. Yeah, I thought today was gonna be a heatless girl day. I think I'm gonna have to restyle it a bit. Someone sponsored me an hair wrap already. All my hairstyling tools are incredibly old, and they're not the most easy to use because now I'm using both hands. If I had an hair wrap, I'd be using one hand. Muscle workout. The bangs are not banging. I think I cut them a bit too short yesterday. I'm gonna be putting them in timeout, which means bobby pinning them to the correct side. I really do not know what I'm doing. Another reason why I need an hair wrap is this thing is smelling weird lately. I'm afraid it might catch fire. It smells a bit burny if you put it on too long. Dyson, if you see this. Okay, so before I do my makeup, I think I'm gonna go to the store to buy cake and candles for the birthday shoot. Also to eat, but they did not have candles at the store. So I'm gonna go to the city center now. And I have the bike, so I hope my hair doesn't get ruined. Okay, I'm back, and of course it's started to rain. When I got on the bike, it wasn't raining before. It started raining when I got on the bike, but it was not that bad. Also, I just wanted to film some videos from before. I'll do the after when I'm done with everything. I suddenly got my period. I was standing there to do an outfit transition, and suddenly I just feel the flow going. Happy birthday to me. Hi. It's quite some time later in the day, and I'm only now getting ready for the photo shoot. I want to do kind of a 60s, very round, doll eye makeup look. I'm starting out with my eyebrows. I'm just filling them in with an orange pencil. By the way, I finally tinted them last night again, because I hadn't done that in I think almost 2 months, and I finally feel like myself again. So my eyebrows get so light naturally, and they are basically the same color as my skin tone, so I kind of always look like I don't have any, even though I've got quite some hair on me. I'm actually not feeling like doing like the photo shoot and content filming at all, but I can't do it later because it's only December 18th one time a year, so, and I have to keep the tradition going. I can't skip a year. I'm gonna do some eyeliner right now, so I can't talk while I do that because I can't multitask that way. Sorry. Did the whole eye look off camera because I just couldn't talk and concentrate at the same time. And now I'm going to do the bees. Trying this new product, lotion. It might not be my shade. Trying to fix the mess with some concealer. Now for the lips, I'm gonna do a very heavy like lip lines, like kind of 90s lip, I guess. I have two options for lip gloss. I'm afraid this one is going to be too light, but I'm also afraid that this one is gonna look too much like the lip liner, so I'm gonna go with the pale one first. That is actually quite nice. I feel like this look is exactly like the Maddie from Euphoria look. I don't remember what kind of lips she had on, but oops. By the way, do you guys want me to start that series up again? Because I keep seeing the like actual makeup artists from the series recreating and explaining the looks, and I think it would be kind of interesting to actually recreate them with proper instructions, because like 3 years ago I was basically just guessing. Hello. So this is the final look. Actually, I already am done with filming and photographing my birthday content, so, but I forgot to film an outro for this. Get ready with me, so here it is. I think the pictures and probably the videos also turned out and I also think the makeup turned out really, really good. So bye, love you, eggs. Oh, now I've got eyeliner on my blade.